Hello and welcome to Ape Exotics. In this video you will find some interesting information about Theraphosa Stirmi. If you're curious to find what exactly is this species, please watch this video. Theraphosa Stirmi is a species of tarantula belonging to the family Theraphosidea. It is known as the Burgundy Goliath Bird Eater. Its category is New World tarantula. These species release venom when they attack. Luckily, it has a mild effect on humans, but it is very effective on their prey. Their fangs are astonishingly 3 cm long, which are used to puncture and cause substantial pain regardless of any venom released. When handled, they get very nervous. This causes them to flick the urticating bristles found on their abdomen. The urticating bristles of Theraphosa species are found to be some of the worst to come in contact with, causing days of severe itching and burning. Theraphosa Stirmi is similar to its cousin from the same region, called Theraphosa blondie, but the Theraphosa blondie is slightly bigger and more hairy. Theraphosa Stirmi can reach a length of around 11 inches. The longest leg, the fourth, in a male has a total length of 4.3 inches. Coloration of these heavy-bodied spiders varies from rusty brown or rich burgundy brown to dark brown with reddish hair on legs and abdomen and white lines on the legs. Adult males lack mating spurs or tibial apophysis. Theraphosa Stirmi lives in tropical humid and warm area, in the primary tropical rainforests of South America, mainly in Guyana and Brazil. Temperatures reach maximum levels up to 30 degrees Celsius, with very high humidity. Except during periods when the ground floods, they dig holes with their fangs, or they take over abandoned lairs. When their prey approaches the lair, they dart out to bite the prey, then retreat to eat it. Females can become up to 20 years old. Males are given a shorter lifetime from 3 to 5 years. So when getting a Theraphosa Stirmi, try your best to get a female, and if you keep it healthy, you will have almost a lifetime companion. Thanks for watching Ape Exotics, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.